Turning 50 is a milestone. It's a time to celebrate accomplishments, embrace new experiences, and prioritize your well-being. As our bodies change, so do our nutritional needs. But don't worry, this doesn't mean bland food or saying goodbye to your favorite dishes. In fact, embracing a diet rich in certain natural foods can help you feel stronger, healthier, and ready to conquer anything life throws your way. Let's explore 12 incredible natural foods that can be the cornerstones of a vibrant and delicious life after 50. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. These aren't just your average side dish. Sweet potatoes are superstars when it comes to vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, skin, and immunity. They're also packed with fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you regular. Plus, their antioxidants can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Enjoy them roasted, mashed, or even baked into fries for a healthier twist on a classic. Number 2. Black beans. Looking for a protein punch? Black beans are a fantastic plant-based option. They're a great source of protein for vegetarians and vegans, helping maintain and repair tissues throughout your body. They're also loaded with minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, crucial for strong bones. Plus, the fiber and complex carbohydrates in black beans help manage blood sugar, making them a great choice for those with diabetes or looking to control their blood sugar levels. Number 3. Beets. Don't let their vibrant color fool you. Beets are more than just a garnish. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, beets support overall health, immunity, and even energy metabolism. They're particularly rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Research even suggests beets may enhance exercise performance and endurance, perfect for staying active as you age. Beets are also linked to improved cognitive function and brain health, keeping you sharp and focused. Number 4. Onions. A kitchen staple for a reason. Onions add flavor and a surprising amount of health benefits to your meals. They're loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radical damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Onions are also linked to improved heart health, potentially lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease, especially important as you age. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help manage inflammation throughout the body, which is associated with many age-related conditions. Plus, the fiber in onions promotes a healthy digestive system, keeping you feeling your best. Number 5. Olive oil. This cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet offers a wealth of health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, olive oil has a positive impact on heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It can help lower bad cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup in arteries, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties can also help manage chronic inflammation, while some studies suggest it may even help lower blood pressure. Plus, its healthy fats can promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Don't forget the added bonus of olive oil's contribution to healthy, youthful-looking skin. Number 6. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice isn't just for curries anymore. Turmeric boasts the powerful compound curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This can be helpful in managing inflammation associated with various age-related conditions like arthritis and chronic diseases. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and protecting cells from damage. Turmeric may even provide pain relief for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, and some research suggests it may have neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline in neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Number 7. Garlic. This pungent powerhouse offers a surprising range of health benefits. Garlic is well known for its heart protective properties, helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These effects can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which become more common with age. Garlic also contains natural compounds with antibacterial and antiviral properties, potentially helping to ward off infections and illnesses, especially beneficial for those with a weaker immune system as we age. Its antioxidant properties can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can help manage chronic inflammation throughout the body. Number 8. Greek yogurt. This creamy and delicious treat is more than just a dessert. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, containing more protein per serving compared to regular yogurt. This makes it an excellent choice for those over 50 who may need more protein to support muscle health and overall body function. Many varieties of Greek yogurt are packed with live probiotic cultures, the friendly bacteria that support gut health and digestion, becoming increasingly important as we age. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, both essential for maintaining strong bones. Adequate calcium intake is vital for preventing osteoporosis and fractures in older age. The protein and probiotics in Greek yogurt can also help you feel full and satisfied, making it a valuable tool for weight management, which can become more challenging as we age. Number 9. Ginger. This versatile root has a long history of use in both cooking and traditional medicine. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogols with potent anti-inflammatory effects. This makes ginger a great choice for managing age-related inflammation linked to arthritis and chronic diseases. Ginger has also been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues, reducing symptoms of indigestion, nausea, and bloating, which can become more common with age. It can even help with motion sickness and morning sickness. Ginger's ability to alleviate nausea can be particularly beneficial for older individuals who may experience these issues more frequently. Some studies suggest that ginger may also reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, potentially improving joint function and reducing pain and stiffness, important for managing arthritis, which becomes more prevalent with age. Number 10. Cucumbers. This refreshing vegetable is more than just a spa treatment for your eyes. Cucumbers are high in water content, which can help keep you hydrated, vital for overall health, especially as you age, to maintain essential bodily functions. They're also low in calories, making them a healthy choice for weight management, which can become more challenging with age. Cucumbers have been used in skincare products for their potential to soothe and hydrate the skin, potentially reducing skin irritation and puffiness, which can be particularly beneficial for older individuals. Due to their low calorie content, high water content, and fiber content, cucumbers can help you feel full and satisfied without significantly adding to your calorie intake. Some studies suggest that cucumbers may even help regulate blood sugar levels, important for managing diabetes, a condition that becomes more prevalent with age. Number 11. Eggs. Don't let the cholesterol myth hold you back. Eggs are a versatile and incredibly nutritious food. They're an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining and repairing tissues throughout your body. As we age, protein becomes even more important to support muscle health and overall body function. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a variety of B vitamins, like B12, riboflavin, and folic acid, important for energy metabolism and overall health. Eggs are also one of the best dietary sources of choline, a crucial nutrient for brain health, nerve function, and liver function. Choline is particularly important for cognitive function and memory, which become more vital as we age. Contrary to previous concerns, research has shown that moderate egg consumption is not significantly associated with an increased risk of heart disease. In fact, eggs contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that can be part of a heart-healthy diet. Number 12. Salmon. This isn't just a fancy restaurant dish. Salmon is a highly nutritious and versatile fish renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These essential fats are linked to a variety of health benefits, including heart health and brain function. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Regular consumption of salmon is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, which becomes a greater concern as we age. DIG-A, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid, is a major component of the brain. Consuming salmon may help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's disease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.